Well, we made it to TGIF. It's also National Pizza Day. What a coincidence here for the end of the work week. And we do have a little bit of good news, at least in the weather forecast. If you don't like this winter chill, well, a little taste of spring on the way. I'm ABC2 meteorologist Eric Teller with your forecast update here, and we're starting to see those clouds come into the mix. The sunshine is fading, so we'll wave goodbye to that, but we'll also wave goodbye to the cold. We're finally above freezing in many locations at this hour to right around 40 degrees over in the eastern shore, and it only gets warmer from there as we get towards your Saturday and Sunday. For today, though, still sitting around that 40-degree mark, and will hold steady as we get towards about midnight. The wind speed and direction are key here, out of the southeast and out of the south. That's bringing in those milder conditions. Also, a warm front that's lurking back towards the west with an area of low pressure, and another warm front further to the south. You notice across Georgia and Alabama, that's where our rain will be coming from. And this will be a frontal boundary that will just act as the rain train over the weekend, one impulse after another, to give us repeat chances of some much needed rain across there, hopefully to wipe out the severe drought concerns. So today we're not worried about any precipitation. We're dry, and those temperatures hanging out right around 40 degrees. Tomorrow morning we're still dry, but lots of clouds around. The showers start to work in by 4 or 5 o'clock, dinner and supper time, and then heavy rain takes over through the overnight period, late Saturday into Sunday, continuing through Sunday afternoon, and things will start to taper down from there. So how much rain are we expecting? Well, generally around 1 to 3 inches in most locations, which should take care of the drought concern. Since 2018 has begun, we've only had 2.66 inches of rain since September 2017. Only 8 inches of rain. So we need to add to that. So as you plan your day on Saturday, plan with the umbrellas, a chilly start, but steady rain developing during the evening period. We'll have an update on your forecast tonight at 5 and 6 with meteorologist Mike Teller. For now, stay safe and enjoy your Friday.